They hate what's inside of you because it can be destroyed, replicated, or taken from you. And they can't stand that. It eats them alive. Whoever this person is, their insecurities and their jealousy runs deep. Deep. This is a very disturbed individual. You definitely should not take their antics towards you personally, okay? Because it's not you that they're battling. It's not you that they're fighting. They're fighting themselves. Whoever this person is, they cannot face their demons, all right? This person has made a lot of mistakes. They have traumatized a lot of people, and they have been through trauma themselves, all right? Their tragedy is too much for them to face. So I feel like this individual projects their insecurities, their demons onto you so that they don't have to do the work that it takes to grow as a person. It makes them feel better to take the easy way out, and that is by projecting their jealousy and their insecurities onto you, okay? Because you are a reminder of what they need to work on in themselves. So they punish you for being that reminder. They try to punish you anyway for being that reminder. Yeah, you are a star. It's your spirit, okay? This person can't destiny swap with you even if they try, all right? Because you have this spiritual barrier around you. You have this spiritual barrier around your destiny. You have this spiritual barrier around your life, okay? This is what they can't stand. You're too powerful. You're protected without even knowing that you're protected. Yeah, like your ancestors don't play about you. They don't play about you at all. They always provide you with a sense of comfort. They always send you healing energy. And they make sure that they do what they got to do to make sure that your spirit stays intact and that nobody will have the power to destroy it. Okay? Now this could be somebody that in your family or somebody connected to your family in some kind of way that's facing some sort of judgment behind the scenes. Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus may be of significance. Aquarius, Pisces, Gemini don't have to be. Sagittarius. Yeah. This is definitely giving water sign energy. I feel like you are everything that this person pretends to be. All right, they're in competition with you when it comes to your spirit. This is the type of person that would trick you into thinking that they have the same spirit inside of them that they have inside of you, or they may actually trick you out of the spirit that you have inside of you by belittling you, making it seem like you're not who you say you are or know you are, and things like that, okay? But it still does not work because you're too mentally strong for that. This is somebody that is in competition with you in the spiritual realm when it comes to God's favor, when it comes to luck, abundance, and everything like that. Okay, this could be a masculine energy. It doesn't have to be. This could be a feminine in her masculine energy. But I feel like this is somebody that you need to close out a chapter with if you haven't already. All right? Because whoever this individual is, because they refuse to do the work within themselves, all they're going to do is try to continue to destroy you spiritually, physically, mentally, because they're hurting on the inside. Make sure that you go to part 2. They can't stand that spirit that's inside of you because it's resilient, and that makes you a fighter. This is why they do not like you. This is why they can't stand you, all right? Because the spirit inside of you is going to keep you going. You're never going to give up on yourself with that spirit inside of you. You're never going to doubt yourself. You're going to always pick yourself up, and that's something that they don't want for you. They want you to give up on yourself. They want you to doubt yourself so that you can feel the way that they feel about themselves. Okay, they can't. I feel like it's somebody that don't like how ambitious you are, or they don't like the fact that you don't give up, or you don't give up on yourself. You don't give up on your goals or anything like that. Okay. So it's like no matter what they do to you, no matter what they send your way, you're going to always alchemize that energy and let it make you stronger. They can't come at you with discouragement, because all you're going to do is take that discouragement and go harder. That's what they don't like, okay? You are definitely put in this person's life to teach them a lesson. Like, you can't destroy everybody. You can't destroy everybody. It's time for this person to grow up. It's time for this person to change who they are. And it takes for somebody that's resilient like you to force them to. Because after dealing with you, I feel like this person's going to be very careful with how they treat people and the negative energy that they send other people's way. Because now they know that not everybody can be destroyed. Now they know that not everybody is going to stay where they leave them at, or where they force them, where they try to force them to be, shall I say. Okay? Yeah, you're a fighter. You are this person's match. Okay? Like, this person met their match. They met their match big time. Big time. Okay? Like, this is somebody that could be younger than you, or this could be somebody that's older than you, but they are very immature. Very immature. This person has a very wounded inner child. A lot of their trauma does come from their bloodline. This could be somebody that comes from a bloodline that's filled with people that suffer from mental health issues, or people that are just evil. Okay? It runs in this person's blood. It runs in their blood. Okay? Just like your spirit runs in your blood. Alright, this is how I know the devil don't want you to get this message, because the video paused for some reason. Okay, you might notice it when you watch it, but you also come from a bloodline full of highly spirited people. People that are cheerful, talented, ambitious. This person could be in competition with you when it comes to your bloodline. This person can't destiny swap with you even if they tried. They can't take what's meant for you even if they tried, okay? Like, you've had this protective barrier over you before you even came into this world, okay? I don't feel like this is the only person that you're going to end up teaching this lesson to. I do feel like you are somebody that has been through hell and back. Yeah, you're not going to be the only person. They're not going to be the only person that you teach this lesson to. You have taught it to many people before in the past. Many people have tried to take your spirit. Many people have tried to break you, but it did not work. Okay? It did not work. You came here to destroy sociopaths, narcissists, psychopaths with your spirit alone. You do this simply by just being resilient. You do this simply by just being yourself, okay? Like, you are a powerhouse for real. And you don't give yourself enough credit for it.